Portable camping stoves are compact and efficient cooking devices tailored for outdoor adventures. These stoves come in various fuel types, from propane and butane to liquid fuel and wood burning, offering versatility for different environments. With lightweight designs and foldable components, they provide convenience for backpackers and campers. Equipped with adjustable flames and wind-resistant features, these stoves facilitate easy meal preparation, ensuring a warm and nourishing experience in the great outdoors. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Msahar WindBurner Stove Systems are a series of highly efficient and reliable cooking systems designed to provide outdoor enthusiasts with a hassle-free cooking experience, even in challenging weather conditions. Featuring a compact and integrated design, the WindBurner stove systems are known for their exceptional performance and fuel efficiency. The stove systems are equipped with a windproof and radiant burner that delivers consistent heat output, allowing for quick boiling and cooking times. The built-in heat exchanger further enhances fuel efficiency by maximizing heat transfer and reducing fuel consumption. The systems also come with a secure pot attachment mechanism, ensuring stability and preventing accidental spills. The WindBurner stove systems are designed to withstand windy conditions, thanks to their integrated windscreen that provides a barrier against gusts of wind, allowing for efficient cooking even in blustery environments. Additionally, the systems are equipped with a pressure regulator that maintains consistent fuel flow, ensuring optimal performance at various altitudes. The compact size and lightweight design make the WindBurner stove systems easy to pack and carry, making them ideal for backpacking and camping trips. The systems are compatible with various pot sizes, offering versatility for different cooking needs. With their reliable performance, fuel efficiency, and wind resistance, the Msahar WindBurner stove systems are a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and reliability in their cooking equipment. Number 4. Eureka Ignite Portable 2-Burner Camping Stove is a versatile and reliable cooking solution designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. With its compact and portable design, this stove offers convenience and ease of use for camping trips, picnics, and other outdoor adventures. The 2-burner configuration provides campers with the ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, making meal preparation efficient and convenient. The stove features a durable and robust construction, ensuring long-lasting performance in rugged outdoor conditions. The Ignite portable stove is equipped with 2 powerful burners that deliver consistent heat output, allowing for quick boiling and even cooking. The burners are independently adjustable, giving users precise control over the flame intensity for different cooking requirements. The stove's built-in wind protection shields the burners from gusts of wind, ensuring efficient and reliable cooking even in breezy conditions. The Ignite stove also features a convenient matchless ignition system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. The stove's removable drip tray makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, while the integrated carry handle enhances portability and ease of transportation. The Ignite Portable 2-Burner Camping Stove is compatible with standard propane canisters, making it easy to fuel up and get cooking. Whether you're camping with family or friends, the Eureka Ignite Portable 2-Burner Camping Stove offers a reliable and versatile cooking solution that will make outdoor meal preparation a breeze. Number 3. Primus Kinjia 2-Burner Gas Stove for Advanced Campsite Cooking is a top-tier cooking solution designed for advanced campsite cooking. With its thoughtful design and high-quality construction, the Kinjia stove offers campers a versatile and efficient cooking experience. The stove features 2 powerful burners that provide precise heat control, allowing for simultaneous cooking of multiple dishes. The burners are independently adjustable, giving users the flexibility to create different heat zones and achieve optimal cooking results. The Kinjia stove is compatible with standard propane canisters, ensuring easy fuel availability for campers. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient to transport and set up, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor activities, from car camping to tailgating. The stove's wind-blocking side panels and built-in windshields provide excellent protection against gusts of wind, ensuring consistent heat output even in challenging weather conditions. The Kinjia stove is built to last, with a sturdy stainless steel body and robust construction that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The stove also features a removable drip tray, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. With its advanced features and reliable performance, the Primus Kinjia 2-burner gas stove is the ideal choice for campers who seek a high-quality cooking solution that can handle more complex meals and culinary techniques in the great outdoors. Number 2. Stansport Outfitter Series 2-burner propane stove is a durable and efficient cooking stove designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. With its rugged construction and powerful burners, this stove offers reliable performance for camping, tailgating, and other outdoor activities. The 2 burners provide ample cooking space, allowing campers to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Each burner is individually adjustable, providing precise heat control for various cooking requirements. The stove operates on standard propane canisters, ensuring easy fuel availability and convenience. The Outfitter Series stove is designed with sturdy and durable materials, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. The stainless steel construction is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity and durability in outdoor environments. The stove features a windscreen that provides protection against gusts of wind, allowing for efficient cooking even in breezy conditions. The removable drip tray makes cleanup a breeze, while the sturdy latch and carry handle enhance portability and ease of transportation. The compact and foldable design of the stove makes it easy to pack and store, making it a great choice for campers with limited space. With its reliable performance, durable construction, and user-friendly features, the Stansport Outfitter Series 2-burner propane stove is a dependable cooking companion for outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and efficiency in their camping gear. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Camping Cooking System is an all-in-one cooking solution designed to provide outdoor enthusiasts with a versatile and efficient cooking experience. This cooking system combines a high-performance stove and a large cooking pot, making it ideal for group camping trips and base camp cooking. The stove features 2 burners that deliver fast and even heat distribution, allowing for quick boiling and precise simmering. The burners are designed to provide consistent performance even in windy conditions, thanks to the integrated windshields that protect the flames from gusts of wind. The Genesis Basecamp system offers excellent fuel efficiency, allowing campers to save on fuel consumption during their outdoor adventures. The included cooking pot is made of hard anodized aluminum, which is lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. The pot has a generous capacity, providing ample space for cooking meals for larger groups. It also features a strainer lid, making it convenient for draining water or straining pasta. The pot's integrated handles ensure secure grip and easy handling. The entire cooking system is designed to be compact and packable, with the stove and pot nesting together for convenient storage and transportation. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp cooking system is a reliable and convenient choice for outdoor cooking, offering campers a versatile and efficient solution for preparing delicious meals in the great outdoors.